I was young, I didn't know where to stay or where to go, chasing dreams I couldn't hold, made of gold. Every road I tried to take led me to another break, but I kept on moving still, through my will. I remember nights alone, talking to a silent phone, hoping someone felt the same. Through the pain, every face just came and went, every promise slowly bent.